Just would like to continue the same part. She is saying this award is not just for me, it is for those forgotten children who wants education, it is for those frightened children who wants peace, it is for those voiceless children who wants changes. So I am here to stand up to their rights. She is saying, I am standing in front of you, I am standing as your side and to raise their voice. So I'm saying I'm fighting for you by standing before you. Okay, it means that I'm here to stand up for their words, to raise their voice. So I'm standing along with you and raising your words. It's not time to pity, it's not time to shy. It's time to take action. It becomes the last time that we see child deprived of education. Now I'm standing along with you all. It's time to be become a strong, and I am with you all. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Nowadays, in new trend, new generation for this 21st century, education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities also. So if you are educated, it is blessings from God. It is your and to live our life, okay, to get respect, to earn money, to speak, to live our life, to get everything what we want. So it is a necessity of everyone should be educated. That has been my experience during the 17 years of my life in my paradise home. Swat, I always loved learning and discovering new things. I remembered when my friends and I would decorate our hands with hennies of special occasion. Instead of drawing flowers pattern, we would paint our hands with mathematical formulas and equations. Okay. So now when she was 17 years old, so she would work with her friends, and they would decorate the home along with they would not decorate the home with the flowers and all the things. They would decorate with their hands, that is mathematical formulas and equations. Means that time also she was enjoying the work, she was enjoying the game along with studying. But things did not remain the same when I was in South, which was a place of tourism and beauty. Suddenly changed into the place of terrorism. I was just 10 then, that more than 400 schools were destroyed and our beautiful dreams turned into nightmares. So I was about 10 years. Okay, so that beautiful tourism place changed into terrorism place, and more than 400 schools were destroyed and our beautiful dreams turned into nightmare. So by seeing we can also assume that this is not a small things. Okay, education went from being a right to begin a crime. Girls were stopped from going to school. So now that education becomes crime. Okay, so now if you are going to school, it is doing a crime. So like that the situation was changed to that level. Okay, but things did not remain the same when I was a SWAT. Okay, so that place now that treated as it is, education went from the being right from some girls were stopped from going to school. So girls were not allowing to go to the school. So with these students, I just would like to conclude the things, friends. In next class, so I am going to take this lesson continuous part. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.